Let's talk about research in the meantime. Hydroxychloroquine. US President Donald Trump called it the miracle cure for coronavirus. It's an anti-malarial pill that is now being stocked by many countries. A vaccine still looks far away, so this was being called the world's best bet. Not anymore. A trial in Brazil has turned fatal. Instead of saving lives, the drug's usage is apparently taking lives. Research says there is no evidence that it cures this infection. And the drug is known to have a side effect on a patient's heart. This report tells you more.
It is currently considered the next best thing to a vaccine for COVID-19. Anti-malarial pill hydroxychloroquine has been touted as the go-to drug. American President Donald Trump called it, quote-unquote, the biggest game changer in the history of medicine.
A gift from God, if that worked. That would be a big game changer.
But any hopes of it actually becoming one are crashing down. Red flags are being raised by one research study after another. The drug is not just failing to save lives, but is endangering them even further. Starting with the US, where a study showed higher death rates of those taking the drug compared to those who did not take it. A study in France too proved that hydroxychloroquine doesn't reduce deaths or admissions to ICUs. A research trial in Brazil even proved fatal. 2 patients getting high doses of the drug developed dangerous heart problems. A known side effect of hydroxychloroquine that led to their deaths. Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro has been a major Trump ally on this drug. Echoing Trump's extravagant claims, he had ordered the Brazilian army to stock up on it. But now the fundamental safety of administering the drug is being questioned. The signs have been ominous right from the beginning. Even as President Trump went to town with it, his Food and Drug Authority chief Stephen Hunt's inhibitions were clear. He was reluctant to give an approval without clinical trials.
We need to make sure that the sea of new treatments will get the right drug to the right patient at the right dosage at the right time.
Same were the sentiments of America's COVID-19 task force chief, Dr. Anthony Fauci too. The trials to study the drug's efficacy in treating COVID-19 are turning dangerous. None of the results of the studies conducted so far have been peer-reviewed. In the meanwhile, the drug itself has become a political matter. Is hydroxychloroquine risking people's lives? It's a drug that can be widely used. It's also a drug with serious side effects, especially to the heart. Its efficacy is the subject of a debate that is far from settled. Bureau Report, WION World is One.